That's it right there. That is it. One day, I'm gonna have you. You will be mine. You will be mine.
He's just another Photoshop production guy, stuck in a dead-end job making clipping paths for a living.
Hey, boss.
You're late again!
Yeah, I know.
Do you know what happened last night? We got 630 images that need clipping paths. What were you doing? Was it that fancy Photoshop special effects? Were you at the club again?
Well, yeah.
That stuff doesn't pay the bills. You know what pays the bills? Production work and clipping paths. That's what pays the bills. You know what else doesn't pay the bills?
No.
Being late. No more. Clipping paths don't clip themselves.
All right. I'm on it. Take it easy.
Hey, Scotty, come on down here. Mom's got dinner on the table.
I'm not eating tonight. I gotta get ready for the club.
What?
I'm getting ready for the club. Shirt.
No, you eat with the family. Come on, let's go.
Wacom
Come
tablet.
on, let's go.
Laptop. Okay.
Go.
All right, I'm coming.
But at night, his special effects moves make him king of the Photoshop dance floor.
So, I heard you were late for work again today.
Yeah, you know, it's a boring job. All day long, I'm sitting there making clipping paths all day long, over and over again. And then I come home, I'm late for dinner, and you guys are busting my stones about going to the club at night. It's a great day.
Those Photoshop special effects are such nonsense. Why can't you be like your brother Moose? He does beautiful color separations. You never hear him complaining. He always on time for dinner. He's going to make something of himself.
Hey, I'm gonna make something of myself too. I'm gonna get me a 70-200 f2.8 lens. I'm gonna take some great pictures with it, and I'm gonna go to Photoshop World and win the Guru Awards. You wait and see.
Oh, really, Mr. Big Shot? Do you know how much a 70-200 lens costs?
I know exactly how much it costs. It costs $1,246.36 plus tax.
And where do you think you're gonna get that kind of money?
Hey, don't you worry. I'll figure out a way.
That's not how you talk to us.
Hey, watch the hair.
That is some fabulous hair.
Where are you going?
I'm going to run some Photoshop actions.
Your father and these Photoshop actions. I don't get it. He can just use generative fill, but no, AI is not good enough for him.
If these are his parents, seriously, how is this guy Italian?
It's the big Photoshop special effect competition. The winner gets a big cash prize and a chance to compete against the best in the business at Photoshop World. Sign up at the door.
It's his one chance to break out and be somebody.
So Scotty, you think you're gonna do that contest? Sounds pretty interesting.
You know, I was thinking maybe I might do it, you know?
Yeah, because it's a very specific prize amount, but I think you could win.
I know, but if I got that prize, if I won the whole thing, man, I'd be set right there.
I just wish you had a coach, you know, somebody who could help you win this contest.
Yeah, you know, you don't want to go into this alone. Photoshop World's the real deal. It's big. It's the big time.
Hi, Scotty.
Oh, hey, Hilma, what's up?
Are you joining the big contest?
We were just talking about that. I'm thinking about it.
I think you should do it. You could win it all.
You think I could win it?
Of course. But if you want to win Photoshop work, you need some coaching.
Yeah, we were just talking about that. You know anybody that could coach me? Are you kind of offering you might coach me?
Of course, let's hit the dance floor.
Let's go.
Scott, you're not gonna win Photoshop work with small brush strokes.
Oh, yeah.
You need bigger brush strokes.
Okay, bigger strokes, right?
Yeah, from the bottom left corner.
Yeah.
All the way to the top.
All the way to the top.
From the bottom
From
left
bottom
corner.
to
all
the
the way
top.
to the top.
Bottom to the top. Bottom
to the
top.
top.
Bottom to the top. Bottom to the top. Bottom top.
To my surprise, listen, 100 stories high.
Hey, Scotty, looking good out there.
Thanks, Carmine. Hey, weren't you wearing that same outfit last night?
This outfit, it's my favorite outfit. I wear it every night. How about you?
Yeah, I wore this last night too. It looks good, right? I love this. I wear it every single
I
night.
tell you, it's working for you. You're the king out there.
You could be just as good, Carmine, if you just practiced a little.
You think so? Really?
No!
He's ready to put it all on the line to live his dream.
Now, just go and find her, and the mother now. Satisfied.
Did you hear last night at the club, Scotty won $25 in the Friday night Photoshop contest?
$25, huh? You know what $25 will get you today? It won't even get you 3 months of the Creative Cloud. It's a long way from that lens you want. What a freaking waste of time.
I knew you'd have something crappy to say about it. You know what? Winning that $25 last night, that says you're good. And there's only 2 times in my life where somebody told me I was good. Number 1, winning that $25 last night. And number 2, when I redesigned the exterior fuel tank for the Falcon 9 rocket. I tell you what, you sure never told me I was any good.
Welcome to the night of the big Photoshop contest. Tonight, somebody's walking out with a big cash prize plus tax.
Does Scotty have what it takes? Can he win the lens, go to Photoshop World, and come back a Photoshop Guru winner? Oh, come on, he could do it. I'll bet you a cannoli from Fabiano he wins it all.
All right, before I get up there and do this, I gotta loosen up. You know what I gotta do? I gotta get out there and I gotta dance.
Yeah, you go dance. Go dance.
Go!
Well, you can tell by the way I use my walk. I'm a woman's man. No time.
The music,
Music loud, women walk
the sliders,
around since I was born.
the pasta.
That's okay, and you may look the other way, but we can.
It's the story that must be told.
No time, whether you're a brother away, you're a mother, you're staying alive, staying alive. Feel the city breaking and everybody shaking, you're staying alive, staying alive.
Forget about it.
Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive.
Coming September 5th, exclusively in theaters and at Photoshop World.
Oh, my